Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. One of my viewers wanted to see this finished refurbishing of this brass spigot that I did. So I'll see if I can connect this to the other video. I'm not sure, but anyway, I just turned it on. The pressure's on. This is refinished, and that's got about 100 psi behind it, and it shuts off. You know, little residual drip, but it shuts off good. And that one used to leak all the time. And the shut off washer was worn out, and everything was kind of worn out. I was worried about this little bit here. There's two pieces here, so I did an extra special job putting that back together. I had to reuse that gasket. So far it seems like it worked. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun, don't forget to vote. Let's go, Brandon.